Hello guys, if your laptop overheating while gaming, then we are here with a video and we will describe in this video what are the causes of overheating as well as what are the fixes of overheating your laptop. And the first one is blocked air vents. Air vents allow hot air to move out and cool air to move in. If they are blocked, your laptop will likely overheat due to an affected cooling system. The second one is several programs running at the same times. Many applications running at the same time will require more system resources, hence overheating your laptop. And the third one is accumulation of dust. When dust accumulates in the moving parts of your laptop, it may slow things down, causing your device to overheat. So these are the main causes of overheating of your laptop while gaming, and here are the fixes. The first workaround to fix this issue of your system, open control panel and here go to power option. Click on power options and here go to your plan settings and click on change plan settings. In next window, click on change advanced power settings. A new window will open. Power options. Here go to processor power management. Expand it and here you will find two options: minimum processor state and maximum processor state. Keep minimum value for both the on battery and plugged in feature under minimum processor state. Keep minimum value for both the state on battery as well as plugged in under minimum processor state. Thereafter expand maximum processor state and you should keep minimum both the maximum and minimum processor state. It will helpful to reduce your temperature of your laptop and reduce overheating while you gaming. And finally choose apply and OK to save the changes from the bottom of the page. The second method to reduce your overheating is right click on start button of your system and choose device manager. Sometimes outdated or problematic device driver may be cause of overheating your device, so keep updated your device driver. Here in device manager windows, look for the device driver having yellow color exclamation marks. Color exclamation marks denotes that your device driver having issues, so keep right click on it and choose update driver. Apply this process for all the problematic device driver having error. Right click on it, choose update driver and search automatically for driver. And the next one is again on your start button and choose task manager. Open task manager in your system and here under process from the left side choose process and check which processes program is consuming more data and memory and disk uses. Simply select it and choose in task. Look for maximum consumption of your RAM and memory. Simply select it and choose in task. Apply this process for all the more consuming your data and other things.